Bipolar emotions can feel like shifting seas. When you're in the middle of a storm, it can be tough to find solid ground. While there are helpful ports with doctors and therapists, it can be hard to get in when you most need it. Available appointments don't always match up with the storms, and sometimes it's just too hard to get in. But now there's a whole new way to navigate bipolar. KIOS is a mobile tool designed under the guidance of internationally renowned bipolar experts to help you manage those shifting seas right from your smartphone or computer. Just answer 8 quick questions about your emotional weather patterns, and KIOS offers ways to navigate them with real-time expert advice. You can also print out a report for your healthcare provider that shows a longer-term map of your condition. Real data to help you and your medical team plot the course for long-term smooth sailing. Don't weather the storms alone between provider visits. Use KIOS Bipolar as your daily guide to solid ground. Learn more at kiosbipolar.com.